Hey, what's up? It's Kyle from Strange Pumpkin Mixes here. Hope you're having a great day. So I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how to make any changes or requests to a mix that you get sent, and how to use the website for it. All right, so first things first, you're going to probably get a new email when a mix is finished. It's going to look like this, and it's going to say, hey, you got a new mix. It's going to give you a link here. So you're going to click that link. It's going to take you to a site. We're going to see a list of songs, or just one song in this case. Just accept those cookies there. And all you got to do is you got to click on the song, and it'll show you the whole WAV file for it. You can play it back, which is cool. You can also download it if you want, but also on this page is where you can make any revision you want to make, or request it at least. So let's say you wanted to say something like, well, overall, the vocals in this song are too loud. So that would be a general feedback note. So you just click on the general feedback button over here. You can type in your name, and you can say vocals are too loud overall. All right, and then submit, and I'll see a little checklist there, and you can see that your comment is right there. Now, what you can also do, though, and this is my favorite part of this whole site, is that you can drop pins or make selections on certain areas that you want to fix. So let's say right here in the song, let's say right there, the kick drum is just not loud enough. So we can either drop a pin right there, or you can shift click on the area and drag around the area to the beginning and end of the pre-chorus, and then drop it and say kick drum too loud here. And it'll automatically get the timing and let me know exactly where I need to make those changes. And then once you're all finished, all you have to do is go back to that email, reply, and say done, and then click send, and that's it. And then I'll have all this information here, and I can check them off as I finish them, so you can even see that in real time if you go back to this link in the future. So yeah, that's an easy way to make changes for your mix revisions. All right.